Our journey begins with a bustling scene of trade and business. Ancient India, situated strategically along the Silk Road, was a hub of global commerce. A treasure chest of aromatic spices and intricate textiles, it played a pivotal role in shaping the economic landscape of the time. Next, we delve into the realm of atomic theory. More than 2,600 years ago, Acharya Kanad introduced the world to the concept of Anu, or atom. He conceived this as an indestructible particle of matter, a thought that was way ahead of his time and laid the foundation for modern atomic theory. Moving forward, we find ourselves marveling at the advanced engineering and technology of ancient India. Maharshi Bhardwaj, a revered scholar, penned the Vimānika Shastra, a text that discusses the operation of ancient vimanas or flying machines. An intriguing insight, it provides a testament to the technological prowess of the era. Astronomy was another sphere where ancient Indians made significant strides. Bhaskaracharya, an eminent astronomer, calculated the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun. He achieved this remarkable feat hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart, demonstrating the advanced scientific knowledge of the time. Lastly, we touch upon the world of inventions. Ancient Indians gifted the world with the number system. The concept of zero, a cornerstone of modern mathematics, was the brainchild of Aryabhata. Furthermore, they developed complex mathematical disciplines such as algebra, trigonometry, and calculus. To summarize, ancient Indian life was a rich tapestry of trade, scientific advancements, and revolutionary inventions. From the bustling trade routes to the conception of the atom, from advanced engineering to pioneering astronomical calculations, and from the invention of the number system to the development of complex mathematical disciplines, ancient India was a beacon of knowledge and innovation. These facets of ancient Indian life provide a testament to the civilization's remarkable ingenuity and sophistication, shaping the world as we know it today.